Good evening, everyone. Welcome to ELSA Academy. Today we are conducting a mock interview. ELSA eyes are here. These students will act as interviewer, and one of our students will act as interviewee. He have applied for a teaching position. He wants to be teacher at our academy. So this panel will finalize whether he will be a capable teacher, a good teacher or not. Kamran, how are you, Mr. Kamran?
I am fine.
You're fine. Mr. Kamran, why you want to be teacher? Why you want to be teacher?
I want teachers. First of all, I study in lower classes in government schools. After I take admission in our village, in our Sarkari Academy Umarkots. Lower classes I study very better. After I take admission in bright features, 6, 7, 8, 9 class I study in bad features is very politely, very perfectly. After I take admission in degree college, I select department CSS. Unfortunately, I do not select this department. After I take the English departments, I come in this academy. I have most experience on this department.
How will you maintain the class?
I maintain the class very easily. First of all, I thought share with students. You clean the room. This healthy is very important for our human beings. You clean the rooms. You do not clean the rooms. You are enter the different sects. You are enter the different sects. You are.
What will you do if a student not study in the class?
Not study in the class. I share the positive positive thoughts with the students. I said that you are hard worked in these times. You will be success in futures. Pakistan countries that's comes scholarship of every years. You apply any one scholarship. You that's condition. You are a hard worker today.
What will you do if a student very noise in the class?
I am first of all I am understands try to understand that do not employ of me. After I complain the principals, I complain principals that decide that get out the education sector, that try understand again.
How would you be a teaching in classrooms? How would you be a teaching in classrooms? How would you attract students?
I teaching very perfectly. I take the knowledge. I get the knowledge very perfectly. I share the knowledge from the students very perfectly. After I attract on self students. I positive ideas share with all students. I said that you are a hard worker today. You are hard work every day. You will be success in futures. You try to try every words. You understand very easily. In this time, this time is important for you. You are study very. You are hard worker today. You will be success. You go Pakistan will come scholarship is every years. You applied any one scholarship. That's condition. You are hard worker today. That's think the students. That is a benefit for that is a big benefit for me. That's try. That's develop on self.
How would you see a relationship between student and teachers? Share your ideas.
I shared the idea between teacher and students. students is lower classes that's study in 6, 7 class, 8, 9, 6. Anyone that's teachers. The teachers go lower classes that after that's enter the schools after college. That's join the universities. That's most get the knowledge. That is very expert in on this departments. As like student is very low. That's
How did you decide teaching? Who was your monitor?
After my monitors, my grandmothers said me, you are a hard worker today, you will be success in futures. I believe that I believe my grandmothers. I try. I hard worker every day. I will be success in this time. I will be join this academy.
Okay, so how did you feel responding to all our questions, and what do you think on being selected as a teacher or not at our ELSA Academy?
I shares that idea for the teachers. English language is not hard, but that is very easy. Child life. I admission in this academies. I get the knowledge, grammar, as well as I develop the speaking skills. My teachers deliver the presentations, debates. That's every programs I participates. Every programs I will be develop my speak English after I in this time I give answer easily.
Okay.
So, Kamran, what's the currency of Bangladesh?
Currency of Bangladesh is Bangladeshi taka.
What's the capital of United States of America?
United States capital city is CD.
Okay, what's the capital of Sri Lanka?
City is Colombo.
So, thank you very much, Mr. Kamran. You may leave now.